Currently, over 70 ships are under construction simultaneously at Russian shipyards, which signals an attempt to revive the naval scale of the Soviet era. Russia claims that its navy must maintain a global presence, capable of sailing to all parts of the world, hence the need to mass-produce surface warships. Over 70 vessels is certainly no small number, but questions arise. Where will the technology for large surface warships come from? Where will the funding come from? And what about the technical personnel? After all, the aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov has been under repair for 8 years and still isn't ready. It's worth noting that in 8 years, the United States could build a Ford-class carrier, and China could complete the Fujian, both equipped with electromagnetic catapults, a technology far more advanced and complex than Russia's current capabilities. While China and the United States have managed to build new, cutting-edge carriers in that time frame, Russia hasn't even finished repairing an old ski-jump carrier after 8 years. This clearly indicates a shortage of technical personnel in Russia. Therefore, I suspect that the 70 ships Russia refers to as being in various stages of construction are likely small vessels, such as missile boats. This approach may have been inspired by China. I recall that when China once felt powerless against U.S. aircraft carriers, it produced a large number of missile boats specifically designed to counter carriers, essentially mounting land-based anti-ship missiles at sea. These boats, if I remember correctly, could carry up to 8 large anti-ship missiles. If Russia's missile boats can operate at a sufficient distance, their high speed and strong maneuverability, combined with a swarm-style attack strategy against a carrier battle group or large fleet, amounting to a saturation strike, I believe the United States, the behind-the-scenes force supporting Ukraine, would absolutely not be able to tolerate it. Therefore, I think the 70 vessels Russia claims to be building are likely such small missile boats or 3,000 to 4,000-ton frigates. After all, Russia's missile technology is quite advanced. Its hypersonic missiles have been in service for a long time, while America's are still in testing. Equipping frigates with cruise missiles capable of striking targets 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers away would yield significant deterrence, at least enabling Russia to protect its coastal waters. However, if Russia aims to sail globally, it must have large warships like China's Type 055 destroyers. Smaller vessels cannot withstand rough seas or support long-distance voyages, nor can they carry enough fuel and supplies. Large warships are essential for such missions. Unfortunately, Russia lacks the necessary talent in this area. Even if it retains technical blueprints, a shortage of skilled personnel will hinder progress. Thus, I believe that to revive its naval status, Russia will undoubtedly double down on developing nuclear-powered missile submarines. These nuclear-powered vessels can navigate globally without issues and possess immense deterrence. But here's the problem: who will protect them? If detected by anti-submarine equipment, they would be doomed. Ultimately, without aircraft carriers, Russia must rely on ships like China's Type 055 destroyers for long-distance operations. Could it be possible, then, that Russia might purchase Type 055 destroyers from China? Paired with advanced nuclear submarines, such a fleet could indeed achieve global navigation capabilities. This would allow Russia to deter the United States in the Pacific direction. What's more, Russia's ship-borne nuclear reactor technology is even more advanced than that of the United States. Russia has excelled in the miniaturization of nuclear reactors. Just look at Russia's Burevestnik nuclear-powered cruise missile. They've managed to fit a nuclear reactor onto a missile, which speaks volumes about how compact their technology is. Russia has made significant achievements in this field, an area where China currently has room for improvement. Given the recent state of Russia-China relations, I believe Russia is highly likely to engage in mutually beneficial cooperation with China, exchanging what each side needs.